Welcome back to the TrainTech YouTube channel. In this video, we shall show you how to set up and operate our very own PMS3 point switch. Just like everything else in our extensive range, these point switches have been designed to make things as easy as possible for you in terms of setting up and operation. These switches are compatible with most 3-wire point motors from Gagemaster, Hornby, Pico, Fleischmann and many more. Now it's time to get this thing up and running. First, let's get our point motor set up, and on this small demo we have used the Gagemaster PM10 solenoid point motor, which I have already attached the wires to the necessary terminals. Now, on your PMS3 you will see a set of 3 screw terminal blocks labelled A, COM and B, and this is where the connections to your point motor are made. Whilst wiring up your switches, it's very important to remember to turn off all power to your layout. Next, insert the wires into the appropriate terminal blocks, like so. Absolutely no soldering is required in this process, and it's extremely simple to set up. Once you have attached your wires to the point motor, next you must attach the power wires to your power terminal block. The PMS3 requires either a 16V AC or DCC power supply, and just like the point motor terminals, these are also screw terminals which take seconds to install. Once you have inserted these wires, you are now free to turn the power back on. Once power is on, you will see that one of the green LEDs is now lit up. These LEDs represent the position of your point, so that you always know where your point is facing. As you can see, the switch operates extremely quickly with a fast charging CDU installed, which offers instantaneous point changes, and it is as simple as that. Whilst you can leave your PMS3 switch as it is, you can also mount them into a mimic panel as shown in the small 3D printed demo. You can also buy additional LED colours and change them to whichever colour you want. You may also wish to shorten the LED legs, but do make a note of the polarity before doing so. And this is how one looks when you purchase one from our website or our shop down here in Ford. We also sell these as a 3-pack, which will save you money if you have many point motors to wire up. And that is all there is to it. If you've heard enough, follow the link in the description to purchase one right now. If you have any queries, please do not hesitate to call us on 01903 884488 or send us an email at traintech@gagemaster.co.uk. And that is all for today's video. Goodbye from us at TrainTech, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.